In this example of receptor-mediated endocytosis, a cell takes in a particle of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, from the outside. To do this, the cell uses receptors that specifically recognize and bind to the LDL particle. The receptors are clustered together. An LDL particle contains 1,000 or more cholesterol molecules at its core. A monolayer of phospholipids surrounds the cholesterol and is embedded with proteins called ApoB. These ApoB proteins are specifically recognized by receptors in the cell's membrane. The receptors in the coated pit bind to the ApoB proteins on the LDL particle. The pit is reinforced by a lattice-like network of proteins called clathrin. Additional clathrin molecules then add to the lattice, which eventually pinches off a part of the membrane. This internalized vesicle is referred to as a coating.